everybody acknowledge. I just want everybody to acknowledge that I have it. All right. Now, what we do to cure hiccups is it doesn't matter whether it's straw or whether it's something large. But we put it, you see that? I have a hiccup. We put it horizontally in our mouth. Now, what we expect to do is spill all over ourselves. And that's what I hate about this, but it works.
So do it.
Okay. Now we have to drink a large volume of water with it. See it? Yeah, put it horizontally in your mouth.
You did good. You barely spilled. You barely spilled.
I don't see how I did that without spilling. That's the best I've ever done.